أحب الصالحين ولست منهم لعلي أن أنال بهم شفاعة.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Aldiansyah. I'm from Pantolabu. On this occasion, I want to explain a little conclusion from discussion last Tuesday because it involves moral issues. Okay, so it is proper to Muslim to access bank with zikir to Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala every day. What is zikir? Zikir is a good title that reminds us of Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala. And the best is zikir is la ilaha illallah Muhammadar Rasulullah, and pray to Allah, because praying is a weapon for believers. In prayer a day and night 5 times they are 153 prayer, and humble myself and read a lot the Holy Quran and ask Allah the Exalted for her forgiveness, both in this world and the hereafter, so that Allah will be tense from the plague and the disease in us. Everyone will pray to Allah, asking Allah. Surely Allah will grant it, but are not serious or do not really appreciate what we are praying for, because all the plague that befall us is all. It is predestined by Allah, and it's not impossible. Therefore, Allah will facilitate everything with the blessing of our passion and with the blessing of our prayer. If we study astronomy just to know the direction of the Qibla and prayer time, the law is learning permissible, like with studying medical science is also allowed with any religion. And then the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said in a hadith, "Tadawaw, be treated by you." Imam Shafi'i say, you are divided into fiqh for religion and medicine for the body. Meanwhile, other than the two, it is just a need, not a primary need. This is all from me. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Nanya.